All right, let's get started. Head over to stream.swifthub.net on your phone, allow camera access, then hit start recording. Now, on your PC, open OBS. Click the plus icon, select add source, and choose browser. Name it camera. Then paste the stream URL you just copied. Set the resolution to 1280 and 720 for the best quality. On your phone, you'll see a live stream indicator showing it's broadcasting. There you go, OBS should instantly show your phone's video feed. If it doesn't, hit refresh. Make sure both devices are on the same network. Use landscape mode for the best results. It's super fast with ultra low latency. Watch this. I'm shaking the phone to show you how smooth it is. Even with an older phone, the camera quality beats most webcams or CCTV. To use this as a webcam, just click Start Virtual Camera in OBS. It works with Zoom, Google Meet, or any video conferencing app. I use this setup for recording packing orders for e-commerce. Super clear video, perfect for Shopee or TikTok Shop in Vietnam, where they demand crystal clear quality. I pair it with SwiftTrack, probably the most popular packing management tool in Vietnam. And that's it. Thanks for watching.